Psyllids are small insects that target crops, trees, and other plants. They suck plant juices, and high feeding activity can cause stunting, discoloration, gall formation, or dieback. Additionally, these pests produce honeydew and waxy substances that sit on leaf surfaces and develop sooty mold. In this video, we'll go over how to identify psyllids, how to control an outbreak, and how to prevent infestations in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. There are over 160 species of psyllid found in the United States. Generally, psyllids, also called jumping plant lice, range from 1/12 to 1/5 of an inch in length. When at rest, they hold their wings tent-like over their bodies. The nymphs have flatter bodies and are less active. It's important to distinguish psyllids from similar-looking soocids, as different pests may require different approaches to treatment. Soocids are harmless insects that feed on fungi. They have more narrow necks, creating a more distinct separation from the head and thorax. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Check the plants on your property for signs of damage, including garden plants, ornamental shrubbery, and trees. Look for galls or discoloration. Sheen on leaves may indicate there is honeydew, a sugary waste material produced by psyllids and other pests. Over time, honeydew will develop into sooty mold. Also, look for waxy substances in the shape of pellets, strands, or other irregular shapes. Psyllids are active and abundant in spring. Most species will produce 3 to 5 generations per year. During winter, they'll hide in tree bark. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To control psyllids on your property, apply long-lasting insecticides. Check out Ignite SC, a dual-action product made with bifenthrin and imidacloprid. Bifenthrin will eliminate pests that make contact with treated areas, and imidacloprid will absorb into plants to eliminate vegetation feeders. Apply this product only to plants and shrubbery that are not grown for consumption. In your sprayer of choice, mix the product's labeled rate of 6.7 to 21.3 fluid ounces of product in 100 gallons of water. Spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Pests that make contact with treated areas or feed from treated plants will have their nervous systems impacted and die after several hours. If psyllids are infesting labeled fruit and nut trees or crop plants, check out Monterey fruit tree and vegetable drench. This product is an imidacloprid concentrate formulated to be used on plants grown for consumption. For example, when treating labeled fruit or nut trees, your application rate will depend on the distance from the tree's base to its drip line. At a trunk to drip line distance of 3 feet, you can mix 1 fluid ounce of product per 1 gallon of solution. At a trunk to drip line distance of 14 feet, mix 30.5 fluid ounces of product per 1 gallon of solution. Read the product's label for specific rates and directions. When mixed, apply the product evenly around the tree within its drip line, then water the product in to help it absorb into the root zone. Do not harvest plants until 21 days after application. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated pests from your property, maintain the health of trees and shrubs with proper watering and regular pruning. Healthy plants are more resilient to damage and can recover more easily from defoliation. Inspect for loose wood, as pests often use them as harborages. Pick up and remove any leaf litter or wood debris around the outside of your home, then mow your grass to its preferred height. Finally, make reapplications of Ignite SC and Monterey fruit and vegetable drench as directed on their labels for continued protection throughout the season. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop psyllids from breaking out, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.